So hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to start a video for you. I am hearing lots of questions from your side that you want to speak in English, but you are not able to find a right platform where you can start your English and with whom you can practice of your English. So so I want to give you some pointers. I want to give you some tips. With the help of these tips, maybe you can speak in English. You can be better in English if you have a basic level. Like if you are a beginner, so how can you speak in English and how can you practice of English from your home? So it is easy to learn English, I would like to say. So but you have to you have to know the pattern, you have to know the structures, you have to know the way. Actually, it is not difficult to learn a language, because in my opinion, English is a language. You can learn this language, but you have to know the pattern. Okay, if you are a beginner, how can you start to speak in English? First of all, you have to work on your daily routine words. What is it? You can find lots of content from YouTube that what is daily routine words means. Come here, sit down, stand up, don't do this and lots of there are some words, a little bit word. If you will be able to speak in English, if you will be able to speak in English, if you are using it when you are doing something, so maybe it will take a time, it will take a long time to get a fluency in English language. But if you will start from zero, so you can start from as. If I will talk about myself, so I did not have any idea how to speak in English, what to do, what not to do. But I started from zero is MR. So it is in grammar, but you have to start from daily usage sentence, where you will see that they are speaking English. So it is good for you if you are doing like this. First you have to start from this daily routine, what you have to listen. So what you have to do, you have to search on your Google and YouTube what daily routine content, daily routine words about study, about house, about plants, about anything. You can get lots of information from your from YouTube, so it will help you a lot. So you have to do this if you want, if you are a serious person, if you want to learn English in a few months, so maybe it will be better way to learn to speak in English. So you have to follow it. But actually, if I will actually, we are those person who can give you advice, but we cannot make you speak in English. We can't do this. We can give you some suggestion. We can say that if you will follow this YouTube channel, and if you will follow me and also some another person, so you will be able to do this thing and that thing. So actually, everyone will give you some way. But if you want to become a teacher, what you have to do, first of all you have to pass your 10 and 12th and your college. After that you have to fill the form, you have to fill the form. After that you will get the job. But until unless you will not walk on the way, so how can you think that you will be able to, you will be a teacher? No, it is not right. You have to walk it, because everyone will give you advice, everyone will give you this way, but you have to walk on the way. So it is the basic route to learn any language, to do anything. Thank you so much.